Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about formation of comparative and superlative degree. Chapter 10 part 2. Before you watching this video, make sure you watch our previous video like comparison of adjective and its kind in detail. I also provided link in the description below. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first rule is using ER or EST. Most adjectives are one syllable that is positive and some are more than one by adding ER to form comparative and some are more than three or more syllable by adding EST to form superlative. Like small has one syllable small by adding ER to comparative to form smaller by adding EST in the superlative to form smallest. The second one is young that has only one syllable by adding ER in the comparative to form younger and by adding EST in the superlative to form youngest. The last one is great that has only one syllable by adding ER in the comparative to form greater and in great by adding EST in the superlative to form greatest. Small, young, great has only one syllable by adding ER to form smaller, younger and greater and in the positive degree small, young, great by adding EST to form smallest, youngest and greatest. Understand? When the positive N in E only are in the comparative and ST in the superlative, like fine, that N in E by adding R in the comparative to form finer, in the positive ST in the superlative to form finest. White is also N in E by adding R in the comparative to form whiter, by adding ST in the superlative to form whitest. The last one is able by adding R in the comparative to form abler and by adding ST in the superlative to form ablest. So the positive N in E by adding R to form finer, whiter, abler, by adding ST to form finest, whitest and ablest. Understand? But when the positive N in Y, the Y change into the I and ER in the comparative, EST in the superlative. Like easy, that N in Y, the Y change into the I and the comparative ER to form easier. The positive is easy. So the Y change into the I and by adding EST in the superlative to form easiest. Heavy, that also N in Y change into the I and by adding ER in the comparative to form heavier. In positive, heavy, that N in Y change into the I by adding EST in the superlative to form heaviest. Happy, that is also N in Y, change into the I by adding ER in the comparative to form happier. Positive, happy, that N in Y, change into the I by adding EST in the superlative to form happiest. So when the positive N in Y change into the I and ER in the comparative like easier, heavier and happier, in the superlative form, Y change into the I by adding EST to form easiest, heaviest and happiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled by adding ER in the comparative and EST in the superlative. So you can see that big is a short vowel that is doubled by adding ER in the comparative to form bigger and in the superlative that is doubled by adding EST to form biggest. Like hot, that is also a short vowel that is doubled and by adding ER in the comparative to form hotter, the superlative that is also doubled and by adding EST to form hottest. The third one is sad is a short vowel. Sad is doubled by adding ER in the comparative to form sadder. In the superlative that is also doubled by adding EST in the superlative to form saddest. The second rule is using more and most. Adjective of more than two syllables like beautiful from the comparative by adding more, most before the positive. As you can see, beautiful has two syllables, beauty and full, by adding more in the comparative to form more beautiful and by adding most in the superlative to form more beautiful. Like difficult, difficult that has two syllables by putting more in the comparative to form more beautiful and putting most in the superlative to form most difficult. The last one is courageous. that has two syllable courageous by putting more into the comparative to form more courageous, and by putting most into the superlative to form most courageous. So these adjectives have more than two syllables by adding more into the comparative like more beautiful, more difficult and more courageous. And in the superlative by adding most to form most beautiful, most difficult and most courageous. And you also remember that two syllable adjectives ending in full like useful, less, hopeless, ing like boring, and ed like surprise, and many other like modern, recent, foolish, famous, certain that take most in the comparative and most in the superlative. Understand? For example, she is politer, more polite than her sister. Politer that end in er, we add more because that is from the comparative. And in the comparative, we add more. Polite than her sister. And the second one is he is the politest. That end in est, we adding most polite of them. Understand? The fourth rule is comparing two qualities in the same person or things. When we're comparing two qualities in the same person or thing, we do not use the comparative form with er. Instead, we use the comparative form with more. For example, Fahad's courage is braver than his wisdom. Braver that end in er. We do not use a comparative form er. Instead, we use comparative form with more because we are comparing two qualities in the same person. So the correct one is Fahad's courage is more impressive than his wisdom. So we use more in the comparative when we are comparing two qualities in the same person. So in this example, we are comparing two qualities, courage and wisdom, in the same person, Fahad. We use the comparative form with more to make the comparison. Comparing two different person or thing. When comparing two different people or thing, we use either the comparative form with er or more. For example, Fahad is braver than Usman. Fahad is more courageous than Usman. We use comparative with more. We are comparing two different people like Fahad and Usman. We can use either the comparative form with er or more to make the comparison. The fourth rule is excluding the former term. When we compare two objects, we need to make sure that the second object we were comparing does not include the first object. In the comparative form, if we want to compare the size of two books, we would say that this book is larger than that book. In this sentence, we were excluding the first book from the comparison. We were not saying that the first book is larger than itself, than the second book. We would say that this book is larger than that book. But in the superlative form, if we want to compare the size of three books, we would say that this book is the largest of the three. Again, we were excluding the first book from the comparison. We were not saying that the first book, largest book in the world, including itself. We would say that this book is the largest of the three. By excluding the former term from the comparison, we can make clear and accurate comparison between two objects.